Hey guys, it's Asus here. So, a question I get asked is my audio quality. How's it that great? What do you use? I've had a few people hit me up on LinkedIn messaging me about the microphone that I use. One, I use the Yeti microphone, which you can find on Amazon. I believe it's like 120 or $150, something like that. Um, Great quality microphone, USB insert. So definitely buy it if you're looking for a professional microphone. And also, I get asked, do I use the Adobe Premiere for editing my audio files and video files? No, I don't. I one don't have time as an entrepreneur to um, jump in the software, learn about the software, the updates, everything like that. I don't have time to geek out as much as I would like to. Believe it or not, I only use iMovie. So if you have a MacBook, all you have to do is go to your iMovie app, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do in this video for your audio and video files on just enhancing the audio quality and reducing your background noise for those files. And I get it. There's going to be guys that are really into audio quality and would say, you need more bass, you need less bass, you need all this stuff. But honestly, it gets the job done and it's already improvements as is. So this goes a long way and it's easy. You can do it over the weekend. You can do it whenever you want to. Okay. So this is going out to you guys that are looking for a more efficient, simple way of going about it. You're not trying to do this Hollywood production, full blown production video. Okay. You just want the podcast files to be improved and you want to upload them to your podcast hosting provider and call it a day. Same with video. You might just want to enhance the audio and upload them to your YouTube channel or anywhere else, right? And I totally get it. Right now, my video that you guys are watching right now, it's via Zoom. It definitely, I just jumped on, I hit Zoom, record, and here I am. I know I should be doing this on a mobile device in landscape mode. I totally know that. But I didn't do it. So this is the best you're getting. So let's dive right in. I'm going to show you how to enhance um, your audio quality and also how to reduce your background noise all through iMovie. All right, so I am in iMovie, which is that purple star. And hopefully they don't do a logo redesign because then it would no longer be relevant. So go to iMovie on your MacBook. And this is pretty much the editor. All you have to do is drag the file into this iMovie. This is a project that I pretty much opened up. And I have 90-second LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, which is the ideal video length for those channels. And this is literally all I do for my audio, which makes it sound very clean, is once I drag the video, I click on it, I go up here, I click on the speaker icon. This is usually off, and I leave it at 100. I don't mess around with it, and I just click the auto, and you'll see it down here. You'll see it adjust. It'll enhance it. Watch. There you go. And then I go here to this next icon up here, and I click on it, and this is usually off. But what I do is, again, I don't touch the 100 or anything. Actually, no, I do. I lied. So what I do, I make sure this is checked off. By default, it's at 50%. What I do, sometimes 50% is fine with you guys. Test it out. See if you like 50%. What I do is I drag that sucker all the way over to the right at 100% because I want no background noise, especially because we're just all working from home. And you just don't know what your environment is. You might have the leaf blower or someone, working outside doing maintenance. You never know. So This, I jack it up all the way to 100% to reduce the background noise. And then the equalizer, I leave it at flat. I don't mess around with any of this. I just leave it at flat. Most people that are really into audio and video, they'll mess around with these and they'll do even more. They might be using their Adobe Creative Suite Premiere, and I don't have time to get into all that software and learn it and everything like that. As an entrepreneur, I'm trying to run my business and wear multiple hats and lead a team. But if you're in the same boat, this is for you entrepreneurs, even marketing professionals as well. If you want to do this over the weekend or do this on your downtime or do this during your work, whenever you want to do it, this is the way to do it. Okay. And then it's going to show you like a load button up here at the right, because I already chose these features. It's not going to change anything right now for us. But I did want to show you that. And that's it. And once it loads, it'll do that. Then I go to this right here to export. Then I export the file. And then if you want to do audio for your podcast, all you have to do here is go to format, hit audio only. It's an MP3, but hey, it gives you the file, right? And then you upload it to your podcast hosting provider. You can change the title. I recommend changing it here. Podcast interview with Jen Kern, something like that. And that's it. So then you hit next. Then it'll export. It'll go in your Finder folder for downloads. Now, if you want to export this to a video, go to video. I recommend leaving it as is with the 720 quality. Leave it at high. Don't mess around with it. Now, compress. What I would recommend is instead of faster, go to better quality and then hit next and it'll export. So there you have it. You get the audio and you get the video file. You can upload the video file to your YouTube channel or anywhere else, and the audio file to pretty much your podcast hosting provider. Hope this helps. Hope this brings you value. And please share it with another entrepreneur or a marketing professional. That way they get value from this as well. You guys make it a great day.